Hey everyone, I'm Joe, and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Nagios Network Analyzer 2024 R2 using Hyper-V and VHD files. Manually installing Nagios Network Analyzer R2 allows for full control over the installation process, making it easier to tailor the setup to your specific operating system and security requirements. This approach also builds familiarity with the system's architecture, which is super beneficial for long-term administration and troubleshooting. Come on, let's dive right into installing NNA R2. The first step is downloading the VHD file from Nagios.com. In order to find it, we can head to Nagios.com, head to the top of the page. Under Products, we can click on Nagios Network Analyzer. From here, we can click on Get Started Free. We can scroll down, click on Microsoft, and then we want to click on Download Now in order to get the 64-bit VHD file for Hyper-V. After this is downloaded, we can head right over to Hyper-V. When on Hyper-V, we can head to the top of the page, click on Action, hover over New, and then click on Virtual Machine. Here we have 6 different settings that we can configure. The first setting is specifying the name and location. For the name, I'm going to name mine NNA Test Demo. Beneath this is where we can store our virtual machine. I already like the location of where I want to store mine, but if you want to store yours in a different location, you can click this checkbox, and you can either type in a file path, or you can click Browse and head to the file path directly. After this page is configured, we can click Next. Here we can specify the generation of this virtual machine. I'm going to use generation 1. We can click Next. And now we can assign memory. The minimum memory needed for Nagios Network Analyzer R2 is 2 GB. I'm going to keep mine at 4 GB. I'm also going to use dynamic memory for this virtual machine. Here we have our configuring network page. For the connection, we want to switch it to default switch. We can click Next. And then here's where we're going to choose our VHD file. We're going to click on Use an existing virtual hard disk, Browse, and then head to the location where you have the VHD file stored. We can open it, make sure it's the right file, and then click Next. Lastly, we can review all the settings that we just configured. If this looks correct, we can press Finish. Your virtual machine will pop up under the Virtual Machines category towards the top. If we double click on it, and then we click Start, the virtual machine will start, and the Nagios Network Analyzer R2 will start installing. After it is installed, there's a few things we want to do. The first is we want to log in as root using the root username and then the password of Nagios NA. The way you can find this is it being on the banner where it says default root and then password Nagios NA. After you are logged in, we can visit the URL that has the IP address in your favorite browser. Now that we are on that URL, we have a few final installation steps. The first step is a license setup. We can either choose a trial license, or if you already have a license key, we can click on the I already have a key, and then enter the license key here. Beneath this, we have the admin account setup. The fields that we have to fill out no matter what is the username, the password, confirming the password, and then the email address. You'll want to remember the username and password as you will need it every time you want to log into your Nagios Network Analyzer. So for example, I'm going to be doing a very simple password. I recommend you doing a very strong and secure password just for security purposes. After this page looks configured to your liking, we can click Finish Installation. Now, using that username and password that we just typed in, we can log in. And we are officially on Nagios Network Analyzer. And that's it. I hope everyone was able to get Nagios Network Analyzer 2024 R2 installed using Hyper-V. For any more support or additional assistance, you can visit us at support.nagios.com. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment for any more videos you'd like to see regarding Nagios products. As always, thanks for watching and keep on monitoring.